And for number 4, we're back here on the lake. To figure out if sailboats move by having wind blow in their sails, why don't they just get a big old fan like this to power them through the water? Sort of like the guy in this viral video who's using a leaf blower, pointing into an umbrella to scoot his way around on a skateboard. Well, let's think this through with a simple demo of a fan that's attached to this train car. When I turn the fan on and it blows air to the right, which way will the car go? Well, of course it goes to the left, because it's basically cutting through the air and pushing it backwards, which creates an equal and opposite reaction that pushes the train forward, just like an airplane propeller pushing air backwards moves the plane forward. It's no different than me standing on this skateboard, and when I push watermelons to the left, they push back on me, so I roll to the right. Nate! Again? And so now let's place a brick here so this car can't move, and then add a second cart here with a sail. Now when I turn the fan on, which way will this cart move? Of course to the right, because all that fast-moving air hits the sail. It's like it's being bonked by all those tiny little watermelons. So if we now remove the brick, and this cart wants to move to the left, and then this one wants to move to the right, what'll happen when we connect them? Nothing! Because it's a perfectly timed tug-of-war, with each cart trying to move in opposite directions with the same amount of force. A fan actually sort of does work to move a boat forward. You just have to lose the sail and point it the other way. But at that point, you might as well just take that same fan and stick it underneath the boat, so you can much more effectively push against the heavy water instead of just air, which is of course exactly what a boat propeller does. And sure enough, when I plug it in real life, as you can see, I don't go anywhere. So then if we've totally debunked the idea of blowing your own sail, then what about that guy with the leaf blower and umbrella on the skateboard?